Oh, hi there. I hope you are doing great. So I'm also doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So here in this video, I'm going to teach you how to input the divide sign and multiplication sign in Microsoft Word easily. So as usual, what I did in Adobe Studio, if I want to input any plus sign, so I just usually go to plus on name page number page on my keyboard. Now if I want to plus, I just click on the plus button. If I want to input the minus, I just click on the minus button. Now there is a question: if you want to input this type of basic divide symbol, so what you will do? Maybe you are doing any math project. Now maybe you need this basic divide symbol or multiplication symbol. So what you will do, maybe you can say me that I will input a x, it will work like a multiplication symbol, but this is not for professional. If you are a professional, so it will not work for better for you. So in professionally, what we did in professionally, if you want to input the multiplication sign, so just input this slash, not this slash, keep in mind this slash, and then type div and then press enter. There you are, the divide sign. If you want to input again any multiplication signs, what you will do, you have to input the slash sign again and then press times, press enter. Now you can input your multiplication symbol. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you learn a little bit from this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to share or comment. See you again in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.